everybody, welcome to Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Reena Govender, your host for today. Today I will be showing you something that's a speciality amongst our Indians during this part of the time, the sardines. Okay, so now the ingredients for the sardines. Okay, as you can see, fried sardines. This is my sardine that I purchased today, and it's quite fresh because the eyes are blue, as you can see that. And then I've got cake flour, I've got ginger garlic, oil, salt, turmeric powder, and chili powder. So this is a simple fried sardine. As you can see, I've got a sardine here. So I'm gonna snip the tail a bit. Okay, so you can see a little hole there. You're going to put your scissor in there or your knife as well. Okay. And you're gonna snip through it right to the end. Okay. And if you open in here, you're gonna see all the parts that is not needed. So you're just gonna take that out. Okay, you're gonna pull this part of the fish out. That's like the fin part of it. Okay. It's quite a mushy job, as you can see. And then you're gonna open the water over it. Just gonna wash that through. Now I prefer mine with the head on. As you can see, it's cleaned inside, so that's how it's supposed to be. I'm just gonna show you another one. Okay, so you're gonna take this, you're gonna snip the tail a bit. You're gonna find that little hole here on the side. You're just gonna cut it through all the way. And then you're gonna take all the intestine of the fish out. Okay. That's all out. And then I'm just going to pull this fin out. Okay. And then we're going to wash it. Okay. So basically this is how you clean a fish that's now ready. Okay, so now for the marinating of the sardine, I've got all my ingredients here. I've got a sardine here, and you can see it's nicely clean. So I'm going to take a bit of salt. Just going to put it over. Just going to turn this fish a bit because I need to coat it on both sides. Okay, then I'm going to take some turmeric powder. Just put that over. Okay, I've got some ginger garlic just to take that, that smell of that fish. So I'm just going to take that a bit, just dab it here. Okay. Then I'm going to take my masala, my chili powder. Just going to put that. Just turn that a bit. Okay, so this is ready now to be coated into the cake flour and to go onto the stove. Now for the coating of the sardine, you can see it's nicely mixed with the chili powder. I'm just going to coat it with flour. Okay. So my oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to put that into the pan. Just going to put another one. So I'm just going to let that fry for about 2 minutes. You can see it's nice and crisp. So I'm going to take it off the frying pan and I'll show you the plating in 2 minutes. The sardine has been fried. As you can see, I've plated it. I'm having it with my dal, rice, and this is my fried sardine. So a simple meal for a cold Durban weather. So from me, from my kitchen to your kitchen, I wish you a week of prosperity, a week of total divine protection upon you and your family. Remember, stay safe and God bless.